going to make
What? Royal
icing.
icing. What do you have here?
Powdered sugar.
What is that?
Powdered sugar.
Okay, we're going to combine the...
King of tartar.
What's that?
King of tartar.
Okay, go. Very good. And the... What's that you're putting?
Egg white.
Egg white. And then we're gonna mix it.
Mix it.
Okay. Wait, not that one. Mommy, we're gonna mix it with a mixer.
Oh.
And then what? You're going to put what?
Extra.
Okay, put it. Okay, and beat it again. It's so great. Now we're going to make a red icing. Okay, just drop it there. Okay, then mix it. Then it will become blue. What color is that?
Red.
Oh, red. Okay. Just mix it.
Color green.
What's next?
Put the color green.
Ah, okay. And the last color is? What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow.
How about blue?
We don't have blue.
Third time.
Okay, what color do you have there?
Green and orange and red and white.
And you have there the candy sprinkles.
Circles.
Put buttons. How about the mouth? Put the mouth. Very good.
Smile. Other hand is long.
Why?
White and white. White and pink. What is it?